Me just can't do a voice over to it. You have to talk now. What did you just say, Mama? Yeah. Hi, how are you guys doing today? Welcome to the vlog. We're doing a little jerk in our front yard. So we have the jerk pan over there. We have Punki right there. Chantel right there. So we're gonna have chicken, shrimp kebab actually, and jumbo sausage.
They nasty good.
Well, let me turn it around. We're having chicken, jumbo sausage,
Mad dog,
shrimp kebab, and we're gonna add corn. Where's the corn at?
no corn no there. Talk what you see.
Girl, don't run put me on the flag when me expose a dirty attitude. That too little be.
What you do?
That's small? Yeah. Cut it big so me can put it on pan the kebab. No, don't more.
That
yes,
no.
that good. Chantel, remember say me I go put it in between you say no.
That
this size.
Right? How much kebab stick we have?
Enough there, no worry. And I just 2 way cut like that.
Oh yeah, cut it next. That's just 2 sachets you not use. Okay.
The sausage and the shrimp are for me and you know.
Come maybe not get none.
No, me not know.
You eat shrimp. So me
Come me say more get shrimp and you say you just want chicken or something like that. I said stop
show
the
me
video.
show me see move like you're afraid of shrimp.
You don't like touch raw meat.
Oh well, cut up for me.
Alright, please stop spray food. Please.
We are gonna be same way. Backside.
I think cut up more.
Record me, I put them on. No, catch me now, you would like to be a professional properly.
You talk too much at that, you do. Think a professional attack, you talk too much.
That put up on the street then.
You think that cut too big?
1 minute then cut too small. Melica, give some little space. Why you do that?
You must have so much hand.
Too big. Stop it, me can't. Mesa, where are the sausages? Where are they?
Can't put one more on the top of that. How pretty just then?
Yes, fire.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm just starting the vlog properly. I'm at this. Starting the vlog properly. You don't know you got MELICASKYLIFE in the building, you order them. And so, Madam Mean, clean up, Mr. What you say, yo. Anyways, we're jerking today. We're doing shrimp kebab, shrimp with jumbo sausage, and we're jerking chicken as well. I'm going to show you the shrimp pattern that we have going and show you the grill pan and things. We never expect to vlog and stuff, but you know, good content, so I'm going to deal with it. Show them the jerk sauce. Okay, let me see. Let me see the jerk sauce. So this is the Jamaican jerk sauce from Grace. Me soon have people that come cook food and something. When I need to call up me and Punki, we have a challenge. Grace, don't play with me. Me use a product them. Mackerel. Date dinner. Mama tell us something. What's me use around them? 876 water. Sardine. All the things me use around you. Don't play with me, Grace. Yeah, but normally Rena, come down. Normally, what I would do is make my season naturally. So I would put my scallion, thyme, pepper, and stuff in. Carry come, Steph. Just turn down that the top one. Just turn it on the shrimp. Come help you. Yeah, I'm not going. This.
Me did all do, dickhead.
What are you gonna do? Alright, we're gonna move the grill pan. I'm buggy planting and you're not gonna come. I don't think you're gonna come down like that.
Me know rain, rain is not a what is no. No, we have to rush like a idiot.
Alright. There come mama. Alright. We have to go move the grill pan.
One thing, you don't like rush. I remember how you like. See,
Mama.
Watch it. See some more.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to do.
The vlog. Me I come, me I go help her move it here.
No, make it stay. Make it stay. Make it stay.
Are you want me sort out it for you? Dirty girl.
You can't do it.
Anyways.
You know how you want it.
Yeah, so we're gonna come down a bit. So decide not
We kill you.
decide not to move the grill pan. Because I'm not thinking I'm gonna come down all that.
Good.
So I'm not sure no one happen now.
Love woman.
Yeah. You're gonna get decent, so take out things with with fork and can't manage. Show me the sausage on the skewer. So it's an iron skewer. It is good to get the iron one. You know, say 2 sausages. You not 2? No. Then you not
Like
2?
you little cut them.
Where you get them the skewer they from?
I saw me one, he come like a picnic. Let me say,
Make the fire burn me. Make the fire burn me, I'm learn. Like you say, no play with fire, Pitney. No ramp with fire. Ramp with fire. Ah, fire burn me. I rate you. I never tell you.
Come in, you're not too full on the beef. Well,
Shawty, you little fatty. Move the recorder.
it is nice.
Shawty, a little boo thing. And Shawty got a fatty.
Oh, Jesus.
And Shawty be catching moods. Wait, I don't know what's saying now. So guys, I'm actually combing my hair. I was recording some clips. So I'm gonna put it in. I was. And
What me figure for?
I'm gonna insert those clips.
Water.
I'm gonna insert.
Oh, making fire ketchup.
Water.
You use fire when it's fire.
My good
The fire eye.
Hold on, me dey come.
Water on the
They
bottom.
were winning their drink.
Alright, so guys, I was combing my hair and I'm at a part. Now finish it. I have some clips. I'll probably insert them and show you what I'm doing with that because I have 4C here and it's very, very short. Crochet has been working very, very good for me, so I'll probably show you that. Having some issues with the top part, but hopefully come out good and stuff, so yeah.